Few years back of India destroying all the crops. This is beyond science. I guess we have to use our last weapon.
இது சும்மா ட்ரைலர் தாமா. மெயின் பிக்சர் நீ இன்னும் பார்க்கல.
Oh man, they're going crazy. It's like a swarm. They're attacking. Quick, somebody get some bread.
Few years back, thousands of crows were said to be attacking people in Houston, Texas, near Walmart. Recently, a swarm of locusts from East Africa attacked Pakistan and northern parts of India, destroying all the crops and farmlands. Hey guys, you wanna travel with us? Looks like you got some company as well. Oh my god, what the hell, man? Shit.
இது சும்மா ட்ரைலர் தாமா. மெயின் பிக்சர் நீ இன்னும் பார்க்கல. பார்த்த ஆடி போயிடுவ.
This is beyond science. I guess we have to use our last weapon, the Burst Buster 3.0. So they got pissed off and they started firing at us.
Rain fire! But sire, our troops just do it!
The poop fire. We smell like a bird sanctuary and I guess it's gonna